Well, I'll show you the picture. I made a hole in the hanger and I put it in my closet. Right now, I feel like I'm not even gonna speak that into the universe how I think I feel. I feel great, okay? But the beginning of my day was not so great. So I'm about to do something that makes me happy. We're gonna see how this turns out. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay guys, so I just did my makeup. I did a blue look. I got my inspiration from this cloth I bought as a backdrop a couple years ago, and I'm just gonna try to incorporate that into the picture. So yeah, we're gonna see how this turns out. I'm super excited. This is my first video like this, and yeah, I'm gonna see what type of flicks I can get. Okay guys, so I have graduated to having glitter. I think I'm gonna do a glitter look. I found this picture. Fuck, I keep losing it. Well, I'll show you the picture. But I got this other black drop, and I have put it on, I made a hole in it and I put it on my door. And then this side, I made a hole in the hanger and I put it in my closet. So, oh shit. So, I'm fixing to take these pictures. I'm probably gonna sit down because it's a little bit lower. I'm gonna see if I do any other changes because what I was doing before just was not working. Okay guys, so I ended up putting more glitter on my chest, and then I put some on my arms. And then I taped this thing to the wall because I was sitting on here, but the black thing wasn't high enough. So I taped it. I took the pictures from there. So this was really simple. I really like recording it. I love to like play dress up and take pictures. So yeah, I just wanted to record like the process, and hopefully I can make, well, not hopefully, I will be making more of these. So I hope you enjoyed. See ya.
Come on, girl, it's not there for you. You're so much better.